Hey guys, today I'm doing the impossible. My friends challenged me to create a resume website in less than 3 minutes. I just need two things: a resume with no personal info and a GitHub account. I'm pasting my entire resume text right below the prompt with personal info like my street address removed. Now hit enter. Look at this AI generating lines of code in real time. This is insane. Time's flying by. The code is ready. I'm hitting the copy code button in Gemini. The clock is ticking. I'm sprinting to github.com, logging into my account. New repository, public, naming it Resume 5 Create. Now click Add File, then Create New File. Name it index.html. Now paste the code directly from Gemini. Scroll down, commit new file. Settings, pages, deploy from branch, main, root, save. My heart is racing faster than this code is deploying. Boom, website created. My professional site is live at Richard Tokar, github.io resume 5. Please subscribe or I'll unplug the internet.